could be at risk of contracting when you travel abroad. Joining us now live in the studio is Dr. Arathi Rao. She's a board-certified infectious disease specialist from Boulder County Health, and she's here to talk more about kind of travel-related illnesses so you can keep your family safe. So first of all, thanks for being here. We appreciate that.
Great, thank you for having me.
You coming in on this windy day out here. What do families need to know about protecting themselves? What should we be doing?
Well, first and foremost, wherever you're traveling, whether it be domestic travels or international travels, you really want to know the destination that you're traveling to. And that means which cities that you're going to be in, what are the travel routes on how to get around, certain events, celebrations, marches, any of those things can impact how you get around the city. And then in international travel, you want to make sure that you're prepared on certain visas that may be required or vaccinations that may be required for entry.
Right. With some of those vaccinations, you know, for adults, we just go and we get it, we don't think really much of it. What about children, though? Can they be vaccinated the same way?
Right. So most of the vaccinations in our childhood recommendations they're starting earlier and earlier. But absolutely, children can get vaccinated, vaccines that are required for travel, and they are safe. So.
Yeah, what's the best way to try to find out what you may need before you go? Go to the State Department website, perhaps?
Right, yeah, there are three great well, there are a few really great resources,
okay.
but a couple website resources that you can look at are travel.state.gov, of course the CDC website, and of course meeting with a travel expert at a travel clinic is so helpful because there's a lot of information on the internet and we can help really tailor that information down to your individual needs. Give you information on safety tips, is there malaria in that region, are there vaccines that are required or what are recommended, how to go about getting them.
It's good advice because when you go on the internet and search anything medical, it gets kind of scary, doesn't it? Yeah. So you get right down to the nitty-gritty that way.
So, you know, we can do the vaccines before we maybe travel internationally, but once you've arrived in a destination, even if it's here in the United States, are there things that you can do to protect yourself and your family?
Oh, yes, absolutely. I mean, one of the most common illnesses we see in travelers are gastrointestinal illnesses, diarrhea, and really making smart, safe food and water choices can be key to keeping your travel safe and keeping you well while you're traveling. And one of the most simplest principles we advise is think about boiling it, cooking it, peeling it, or just simply forgetting it.
I like that.
Okay, it's good to know. Dr. Rao, thank you.
Yeah,
good advice. Keep us safe during the spring break travel season.
All right, Katie?
Thanks, you guys. And safe trip back to Boulder County.